What's up, bag holders? Main account time. Market was down, so all you can eat today. Let's get the spreadsheet updated here. So we have number one. First and foremost, we had Pfizer earnings today, and we didn't get much, but believe it or not, I actually had the 100 shares we get assigned. Excuse me, last week. We were able to sell them. So that gives us more dry powder for another 100 shares to sell another contract even lower. So we had that. That happened today. Bought some Marathon as inflation or against inflation. Sold gold today. So we'll get into that. You can see that on the 1 hour. Pretty clean. Yeah. Right here. Sold. Very clean. The spreadsheet needs a little help here, but it's pretty passive, and I'm not too worried about the actual cash flow from it. But if I'm going to sit and hold gold, it doesn't produce anything, and I do think it's a good idea to have a little bit of it, but it doesn't produce cash flow. So in order to get cash flow out of holding gold, I trade it. Right? I just swing trade it. Very simple. And then we also sold oil. Hookah. We built quite a position here. This one trades on the. Okay, yeah. Let's go ahead and get the commodities out of the way. Still looking to sell. ETHIT, you saw that. And then silver. We're still waiting. Alright, but UCO's on the 5 minutes. And it's just levered oil contracts. And you can see very cool. In, out. Right? Very simple. It's the old saying that trading is simple, but it's not easy. Looks like we got 6 lots in. So yeah, this is a pretty low stress way to trade at work because it just lights up and I just do it in an instant. And not looking at screens or anything crazy. So no excuses. If there's a will, there's a way. And if you do more, you'll have more. So be more productive. That means stop with the excuses. That's exactly what it means. All right, so we'll go through our normal thing. We're looking for swing trades. We're looking for flip trades. We're looking, is there something we put a sell order in for? That's that, and we'll call it a day. We did have a stock come on the screener, so that's likely be what we buy. Wait a minute. Didn't we 1 day ago? So that was yesterday. We did the Humana thing. Make sure we got that in there. Yeah. Okay. Days are starting to run together on me. You can see we're getting damn close here with Exxon, but as you saw, we were swing trading oil. We actually are at a resistance zone, but we got this up here. I think it's going to hit, so we'll just hang out. We actually have earnings coming up too, and I'm not as scared to hold oil. I like oil for whatever reason. Like we got some here, similar situation, um, but I want it to spike through. Flips, we're looking for anything under 30, and then if we don't see anything, we will buy the BKR we bought in the public account. This one's about ready to hit. All right, that's it. So um, if you need leveled up on BKR, go back and watch the public video. And I'll go ahead and put an order in. What the hell is the price? They do this so backwards on the stupid brokerage. They change it. It was perfect before. 29.34. My brokerage is saying the lowest price is 29.41. It may very well be, but I want the closing print. I don't need to know what the bid ask is after the market's closed. We got filled in the public account. That's a different brokerage. We did not get filled here. Surprise, surprise. But we will work with the tools that we have been given, make the most out of them. All right, now we're just looking for swing trade entries. We did have a few that we were kind of monitoring. Boeing, I think Leggett Platt. Shoot, man. Been kind of slow, but that's all right. It's because the market's in a undecision mode. We're going to jump up higher or shoot down lower, but we're going to get some volatility. Mark my words. Cracker Company took off. Not the most of exciting videos, but that's investing. It's more about patience and consistency than it is running and gunning. But you can see this is going to be a nice setup. The extra day that's down actually allows the 20 to come in, which is the green line. So the MACD is ready to go, but all the other parts are not ready to go. There's another one, ADM. That's one I couldn't think of earlier. But those are basically all the setups that we've been watching. And, we may be able to flip out a Pfizer, and that becomes a swing trade. It's about ready to hit the 30 as well. A lot of stocks running. Probably hit the 30 on a lot of these. Didn't really get that explosive movement to the downside. All right. All right, this is another setup, and you can see that it just went down way fast. You have all the gaps, but the sideways is what allows everything to catch up. So that's going to be um, a good setup when it's ready. It's just going to take a lot of time. Now, of course, if you wanted to be more impatient, you can just go to a lower time frame, and that's where you see me trade the 1 hour, where I just swing for gold, silver, Bitcoin, ETH. Those trades will typically take several days. And then SPXL, UCO, and BitX on the 5-minute, because those trades will complete in the same day. But no swing entries today. We were able to sell gold and oil. So good day, still forward momentum on a market down day, which is cool. And then we wait and see how the rest of the day plays out tomorrow. So hope y'all are doing good. I'm burnt out. That's about it for today. And we'll be after it again tomorrow. Have a good one.